Are you looking for the best earring holder in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best earring holder that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Topsome Earring Holder Rotating Earring and Jewelry Organizer. This earring holder has an acrylic plastic material composition. Hence, it is simple yet durable and effective. Moreover, the holder has a 360 degrees angle rotating base. This product comes with 4 toothed frames. Therefore, you have a lot of storage for your earrings and jewelries. In addition, this earring holder only takes a minute to install. The frames perfectly fit with each other, making it easy to fix and attach. The earring holder has a transparent acrylic finish. Also, it has a dimension of 6 by 11 inches. This makes it portable and easy to carry around. Also, this model has a very huge storing capacity. In fact, it stores up to 168 pieces of earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and other jewelries. This elegant and simple earring holder is a must-have. At number 4, Quiche Hanging Earring Holder Honeycomb Earring Organizer Wall Mount. Here we have an earring holder with a honeycomb design and structure. It has a walnut wood material composition. With this earring holder will surely last long. Also, it is lightweight and easy to install. In fact, you are set by just hanging it on a hook or screw. Hence, this product is hassle-free. Moreover, the surface of this earring holder has a glossy finish. Therefore, this product will not damage your precious jewelry. This product holds up to 65 pairs of earrings. This is because it offers 130 holes to hold the same. Furthermore, its elegant and sleek rustic design fits any room setting. The product has a size of 9 by 17 inches. Thus, it is not spacious and is easy to move from one place to another. This earring holder is a perfect decor to beautify your room and display your precious set of earrings at the same time. At number 3, POZEAN Rustic Jewelry Organizer Wall Mounted Wooden Jewelry Holder. Here is an earring holder that has an antique look. This outstanding rectangular earring holder is elegant and solid. Hence, you can install this model in any room. The holder has a reinforced solid back frames for better stability. Moreover, this earring holder has a rustic design that fits any room. It is also very easy to install with just a twist of some screws. It also comes with a combination of wood, metal, and plastic material. At the same time, it has a solid metal inner frame. Therefore, this earring holder is very sturdy and durable. You can fit this design on your front door, entryway, bathroom, bedroom, and many more. Lastly, this earring holder has a size of only 16 by 9 inches. With this, it is easy to install at any place as it does not take too much space. At number 2, Atriot Wooden Jewelry Organizer Wall Mounted Hanging Organizer. This earring holder comes with a rustic rectangular frame. The holder has a high-quality wood plank material. Hence, it provides a very stable and durable build. Also, the product measures 14 by 10 inches. As a result, this earring holder holds most of your jewelries. In fact, it has a capacity of 350 jewelries in one go. In addition, the gloss and smooth finish of the earring holder ensures maximum protection of your jewelries against scratches. This product has a superb performance and usage. It has 150 slots for earrings, 144 holes for dangles, and 23 ring or necklace holders. To add on this, it is very easy to install and has multiple installation options. You can choose from a drawstring installation, or installation using 2 nails. Either way, the earring holder is very reliable and convenient. With this, you will get a rustic product that has enormous storage capacity. At number 1, DHMK Earring Holder Stand Jewelry Organizer Display Rack. This earring holder comes with a wooden base stand. The stand is a solid radiata pine wood that is very sturdy and stable. Thus, it is easy to place and install without any use of screws and strings. Moreover, this earring holder has a rectangular shape. It is also very thin and straightforward to use. Thus, saves a lot of space on your precious tabletops or nightstands. It also has a huge capacity of storage. In fact, it has 5 levels of frame with a total of 100 holes. With this, it stores up to 50 pairs of earrings or studs. This product has a size of 9 by 14 inches. Also, the frame has a high-quality reinforced steel material. Therefore, this earring holder will go with you for a long time. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.